Have you ever wondered what the world will look like in just a few years? Forget flying cars from old sci-fi movies. The future isn't coming. It's already being built in labs around the world, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. By 2030, our lives are set to change in ways we can barely imagine. So, let's dive into 10 incredible technologies that are about to reshape our world. First up, brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling your computer, your phone, or even your smart home with just your thoughts. No more typing, no more swiping. Companies are already developing non-invasive headsets that can read your brain signals, allowing you to compose an email or play a video game just by thinking about it. This isn't just about convenience. It could revolutionize life for people with paralysis, giving them a new way to interact with the world. The line between human and machine is getting blurrier every single day. Next, get ready for self-repairing materials. Think about how many times you've dropped your phone and prayed the screen wasn't cracked. What if your screen could just heal itself? Scientists are creating polymers and composites that can mend cracks, scratches, and even complete breaks on their own. Inspired by biological systems, these materials can patch themselves up, extending the life of everything from your electronics to car parts and even infrastructure like bridges. The days of planned obsolescence might be numbered. Now let's talk about healthcare. Coming in at number 3 is AI-powered medical diagnostics. Your future doctor might be an algorithm. Artificial intelligence can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with a level of accuracy and speed that surpasses human experts. It can spot signs of diseases like cancer or heart conditions earlier than ever before. This technology works 24/7, making expert-level diagnostics accessible to remote areas and reducing wait times. It's like having a team of the world's best specialists on call, anytime, anywhere. Number 4 is something straight out of a spy thriller, the quantum internet. Our current internet is vulnerable to hackers. But what if we could build a network that's fundamentally unhackable? That's the promise of quantum communication. By using the principles of quantum entanglement, where two particles are linked no matter the distance, any attempt to eavesdrop on a transmission would instantly corrupt the signal, alerting both sender and receiver. This will create an entirely new level of secure communication for governments, banks, and eventually all of us. We're just getting warmed up here. If your mind is already blown by these future technologies, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tomorrow. Your support helps me bring more of these incredible innovations to light. All right, let's get back to it. At number 5, we have smart contact lenses. Google Glass walks so that smart contacts could run. Imagine a display projected directly onto your eye, visible only to you. You could see navigation directions, read messages, or monitor your own health metrics like blood sugar levels in real time without ever looking at a screen. These lenses could provide augmented reality overlays on the world, changing how we learn, work, and play. It's the ultimate wearable, seamlessly integrated into your vision. Number 6 is tackling one of humanity's biggest challenges, feeding a growing population. Welcome to the era of vertical farming skyscrapers. Instead of sprawling fields, imagine massive indoor farms stacked stories high in the middle of our cities. These controlled environments use hydroponics or aeroponics to grow crops with 95% less water and zero soil. They can produce fresh, local produce year-round, regardless of the weather, drastically cutting down on transportation costs and our carbon footprint. Following that, let's look at how we move all those goods. Number 7 is autonomous cargo drones and ships. The global supply chain is about to get a major upgrade. Massive, pilotless drones and fully autonomous cargo ships will transport goods across continents and oceans. Powered by AI and advanced navigation systems, they can operate around the clock, optimizing routes to save fuel and time. This will make shipping faster, cheaper, and more efficient than ever before, transforming global trade as we know it. Now for something a little more personal. At number 8, we have emotion-sensing wearables. Your smartwatch already tracks your steps and heart rate, But what if it could track your feelings? New wearables are being developed with biosensors that can detect subtle changes in your skin temperature, heart rate variability, and sweat to gauge your emotional state. Is your bracelet telling you you're stressed? It might suggest a breathing exercise or play calming music. This technology could be a powerful tool for mental wellness and emotional self-awareness. At number 9, we have the holy grail of energy, fusion power. For decades, it's been 30 years away, but we're finally on the verge of major breakthroughs. Fusion mimics the process that powers the sun, fusing atoms together to release immense amounts of clean energy. Recent experiments have achieved a net energy gain, proving the concept is viable. A working fusion reactor could provide virtually limitless, zero-carbon power, solving the energy crisis and climate change in one fell swoop. And finally, at number 10, AI is coming for architecture. Imagine buildings not just designed by humans, but co-created with artificial intelligence. AI algorithms can generate thousands of design options for a building, optimizing for things like structural integrity, energy efficiency, natural light, and even aesthetics. This allows architects to create structures that are more sustainable, beautiful, and perfectly suited to their environment and purpose. The cities of the future will be built by human creativity and machine intelligence working together. From our minds to our cities, these 10 technologies are set to completely redefine our reality by 2030. It's an exciting and maybe a little scary future to think about. So, which of these technologies blew your mind the most? Is it brain-computer interfaces or self-healing materials? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll be revealing even more groundbreaking tech in my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.